Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. This luxury SUV is a perfect blend of power, prestige, and off-road capability. If you're looking for an SUV that dominates both the city streets and rugged terrains, then this might just be the ultimate choice for you. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the details, exploring its exterior, interior, features, and performance to see if it truly lives up to its premium price tag. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 G63 stays true to its iconic boxy design but with some modern refinements. The signature Panamericana grille, massive AMG badging, and aggressive front bumper give it an unmistakable road presence. The new LED headlights and taillights add a futuristic touch, while the 22-inch forged wheels and flared wheel arches enhance its bold stance. The side exit exhaust pipes are still here, delivering that signature AMG growl that turns heads everywhere. Mercedes has also improved aerodynamics slightly without compromising the rugged charm of the G-Wagon. Stepping inside, the interior of the G63 is nothing short of spectacular. The handcrafted Nappa leather seats offer supreme comfort, and you get multiple color options to personalize your ride. The dual 12.3-inch digital displays provide a futuristic cockpit-like feel, with one screen dedicated to the instrument cluster and the other for the MBUX infotainment system. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Burmester 3D surround sound system that makes every drive a concert-like experience. The ambient lighting, with 64 color options, enhances the luxury vibe, while the carbon fiber and aluminum trim give it a sporty yet elegant look. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, with increased legroom, ventilated seats, and an optional entertainment package. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG G63 packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces a staggering 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This beast goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.3 seconds, impressive for a full-sized SUV. Mercedes has also refined the 9-speed automatic transmission for smoother and quicker shifts. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures you have maximum traction whether you're driving on city streets or tackling extreme off-road trails. With its 3 locking differentials and adaptive suspension, the G63 remains one of the most capable off-road luxury SUVs in the world. Despite its off-road prowess, Mercedes has worked on making the G63 more refined on the road. The new electric power steering makes maneuvering much easier, and the updated suspension system provides a more comfortable ride than ever before. Of course, the exhaust note remains aggressive, but thanks to an improved soundproofing system, the cabin remains quiet when you want it to be. Safety and driver assistance features are top-notch in the 2025 model. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Night vision assist is also available, making nighttime driving safer. Mercedes has added a new AI-powered driving mode that adapts to your driving habits, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency over time. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at around $180,000, and with additional customization options, it can easily cross the $200,000 mark. While it's undoubtedly expensive, you're not just paying for an SUV, you're paying for a statement, a legacy, and an experience that few vehicles can match. So, who is the G63 for? If you want a luxury SUV that stands out, delivers breathtaking performance, and can take you anywhere in style, this is the one for you. Whether you're a city dweller looking for unmatched road presence or an adventurer who needs serious off-road capability, the AMG G63 won't disappoint. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the 2025 AMG G63 over its rivals like the Lamborghini Urus or the Range Rover SV? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews here at AK Luxury Car Reviews. See you in the next one.